Our planet has gone through challenging times, and we all know how the recent events have affected our lives. But how will architecture react and evolve from this point on? In order to tackle those questions, we propose the Urban Oasis as a manifest, a cultural center that synthesizes what we aim for, a structure that incorporates all that we believe architecture should be about. It is smart because it's not static. It reacts to its users and the environment. It senses humidity and wind speed to control airflow. It regulates internal temperatures according to the amount of visitors and assures air renovation and biological safety for all. It is connected because it acts as a link between existing infrastructures and future urbanscape equipment. A design that would not exist without its surroundings, because it was never meant to be an island, but instead a part of a bigger archipelago. It is locally sourced because there is no more room for carbon emissions in transportation of materials and goods, and it should be easily maintained and repaired. It is simple because the users are its major attribute, and its more expressive architectural features are driven by their occupation. And overall, it is open for all to join and experience the spaces. It is meant to be a sophisticated merge between indoors and outdoors in a time where we're slowly coming back to life after a long wait. Because the Urban Oasis is more than just a building. It is a statement.